this ROM tips. Today I show you how to make a 100% stacked array chart in Google Sheets. Subscribe and give me a like if this video helps you, because your feedback helps me, and show you how to do it. Alright, and first open Google Sheets and create new project or open your old project. Okay, open project and category and amount, click on car and press shift and click on this. Alright, I'll select category amount and click on insert and search chart and click on chart and chart type, click on this and scroll down and click on 100% stacked array chart and scroll down, switch rows, use row to headers. Okay, and double click, write hello price, open chart and axis titles and click on bold and text color and black and customize chart style. Alright, background color pink and font Homa, chart border color and red. Alright, smooth and this. Alright, series and line color red, line opacity, line dash type and line thickness 2 pixels and point size 7 and circle and square, area opacity 100 or no 15. Alright, and click on legends and horizontal axis, nice, and vertical axis, good, and grand line and ticks. Alright, and that's all. Subscribe and give me a like if this video helps you, because feedback helps me and show you how to do it. Bye bye.